Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking your time to stop by. LikeMinds Consulting is a titanium partner with Ping Identity. We are a leading provider of consulting, systems integration, and managed services and focus on identity management, application security, governance, risk, and compliance solutions. We are partners with Ping Identity, HashiCorp, SailPoint, and Microsoft. The client was faced with several challenges in their existing setup using VM deployments. Our initial scoping revealed important considerations. The client's requirement made it a perfect fit for a migration to AWS Elastic Kubernetes Service. We used a wide range of DevOps automation tools for this deployment. We used AWS's Managed Kubernetes Service. We used Jenkins as the CI/CD server. We hosted Ping Docker images in a private instance of Amazon ECR. A self-hosted Git repository was used to store server profiles and Helm values. HashiCorp Vault was used for secrets management. External DNS enabled dynamic creation of DNS records. Prometheus, Telegraph, Grafana were used for monitoring and alerting. In this demo, we are going to use Jenkins CI/CD workflows to automate the process of upgrading the Ping Federate version from 11.0.3 to 11.2.0 in an existing Ping deployment running in an EKS cluster. Amazon Elastic Container Registry is used to store private repository images that are pulled from Ping Identity Docker Registry. We are now going to execute a Jenkins job to add a newer version of Ping Federate to the private repo. Let's execute the job now. We are selecting the environment plus AWS region and building the job. We are now seeing the steps in the Jenkins job. After the Jenkins job executes successfully, we can now see a new image added for version 11.2.0 with stat number 2212. The Jenkins job also applies a rolling restart to the Ping Federate admin and engine pods. A rolling restart also ensured that there was no downtime during the upgrade process. After pod restart, we can see that the Ping Federate admin and engine pods are now running on version 11.2.0.8. Now, let's have a look at the monitoring stack used. We used Grafana as the metrics dashboard with Prometheus using the Telegraph Kubernetes operator. We can observe pod resource metrics as well as information on Ping directory operations. We can leverage the dashboard to view the Kubernetes cluster metrics as well. Our client experienced a range of benefits. Average disaster recovery time dropped by more than 90%. Cloud infrastructure costs dropped by more than 70%. The automated product update process reduced downtime by more than 90%. DevOps workflows eliminated almost all manual tasks. We will now be presenting a use case when a customer wants to use a mobile device as an authentication method to log into their account. This is the whiteboard flow to the time-based one-time password device pairing enabled by Davinci. The customer accesses the portal and enters the credentials, which will be validated by Ping. Once validated, the customer will receive an OTP to enable TOTP and a QR code will be generated. Once the QR code is scanned, the pairing will be completed. Here, we can see how a typical Davinci flow for the TOTP device pairing will be. We can build and design our own workflows to optimize the user journeys. It makes it easier to integrate with applications to define business logic and policies via a drag and drop easy to understand graphical user interface. This is the whiteboard flow showcasing the login process once a user has paired their device. The following demo showcases the device registration and login flow enabled with Davinci. Thank you for your time today and have a great day.